Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing K&N intake. Alright guys, step 1, T25. All these 6 little bolts right on there, take them off. Once you guys are done, you guys can lift this up, slide this out of there. That's it. Now you guys can take off your old filter. In the K&N box, you guys get this gasket or rubber hose. You get the studs, which you put in here. You get all these bolts right here and the filter. Now for building it, you get these 2 big guys right here. Put them in. Put them in. Slide this in. You get the washers. Get the bolt. Get the size 10 and tighten it. Once you guys are done tightening these 10mm bolts, make sure they're tight. Now you can get the air filter. Put it right in there. Alright, when you guys get the air filter on, get your flathead, tighten the hose clamp. Alright, when you guys are done tightening up this, you guys can either use an 8mm or flathead. You want to drop it right in and put it right in there. Alright, now you guys want to get a T15, and with the included hardware with that K&N gives you, put all the bolts in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you guys finish putting on the 5 bolts, now we're gonna tighten this. Alright, you guys can either do this one with a flathead or with a 6. Now, guys, we're basically done. Now we have to put the edge trim on. That's it. This is how it should look like, guys, with the edge trim. That's how you guys install a K&N intake on a f10 535i. Alright, now we're gonna start it. If you guys hear any weird noises, then you installed it wrong. If it sounds fine, then you guys did a good job and installed it right. Alright, we're gonna let the engine warm up a little bit. We're gonna give it a few revs. If it sounds normal, just how it sounded for us, then you did a very good job. See you guys in the next one.